In this video, we'll be loading data using PyTorch DataLoader. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for how to load a list of NumPy arrays to PyTorch dataset loader. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. This use case requires PyTorch library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code before proceeding. Here we are importing the PyTorch and NumPy libraries. Here we are creating list of NumPy arrays. Then we are transforming them to torch tensor. And here we are loading the tensor dataset. Let's run the code now. And you have loaded dataset using PyTorch DataLoader.